Hi, welcome to this video. We're going to guide you through how to send and receive USDT for free. So the most easiest or the most easy pathway to send and receive USDT is if the other person or the other party is also using Bybit. So if that's so, what you're going to do, you're going to hit assets at the bottom right? And then what you're going to do, hit withdraw. Right, and you can basically select withdraw crypto, right? Select your USDT, and you have two options. You can withdraw via another wallet, like different platform, right, which requires a generated address to be sent, or the second option, which is internal transfer, which, as I said, if the other person or other party have Bybit account as well, you can use that method without any fees. Type their email, mobile, or UID, or their ID basically on Bybit, and into the amount and hit withdraw with 0 fees using your funding or your unified trading account, right? You could also top up your account. If you don't know how, you could just go ahead to the assets and then hit deposit. You could deposit crypto like with different methods. You can deposit directly using chains, right? And just take that address and go to your favorite wallet, and you can use that to send crypto to Bybit, right? Also, you can receive from Bybit user, right? If you receive it from Bybit user, all you gotta do is just take a screenshot, right, of your QR code and send it to the other party, or send you your ID, Bybit ID, and they're gonna be able to send it right away, right? Send you the USDT or Bitcoin, whatever. You can also use, go to deposit, P2P trading, which means that you're gonna buy from an individual via a local payment method, a shared local payment method. So if you live in Saudi, you're gonna use a Rajhi or use basically Riyadh or whatever bank they have locally, right? So that applies also abroad. If you live in the US or Canada, maybe you're gonna use Zelle, Wise, whatever. Okay, you can also buy using your card with USD, right? Visa, MasterCard, and GCB are supported, but it's different from one region to another. And you can deposit via bank transfers or top-ups if allowed. So basically, that's how you send and receive USDT for free. Consider liking this video, subscribe, and until next time, see you.